In this video, we're going to show you to install the inner wheel well liner on your Toyota Tundra located inside the front wheel well. Using a 22mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove your lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Underneath the front side here, you're going to find two 10mm bolts. We're going to use our socket and remove these. $10mm socket, loosen and remove these two here. Now, if your lower splash guard here has a plastic pin here, you want to go ahead and remove that. You're going to use a trim tool to go ahead and pop that button out. You want to remove these two plastic pins here. Use a trim tool. Go ahead and get behind there. Sometimes these can be brittle and they may break upon removal. With the buttons removed, pull those down and out. Okay, bring your liner up into place. I'm going to tuck that underneath the front liner. I want to make sure that this portion of the liner goes behind the bumper. Okay, push this up into place. Let's go ahead and install our clips here. Now, we had to source some replacements. You can get some replacements at the dealer or local repair shop. Install the lower splash lip here. Go ahead and snug those down. Now our bumper is tweaked a little bit, so we just have to kind of push this up into place. I have to source a replacement clip as ours was missing. I'm going to install our lower bolts on the front side. After you install these two bolts, you're going to install the front wheel, and you're all set. Get that wheel lined up on there. Let's get our lug nuts started. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Grab your center cap if you have these. When torquing down your lug nuts, you want to go ahead and torque the steel wheel down to 154 foot-pounds. If you have the aluminum wheels, it's 97 foot-pounds. You want to torque this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.